Hi, YouTube friends. Yeah, we received a package. I've been busy, so it's been sitting in my it's been sitting for a couple of days. But here we are. Charlie and I and Bella went out and cut a big old load of wood in the Ford this morning. It's only like 10 minutes to 9. We were back here by 8. So anyway, for those of you that watch Smitty's channel, you'll recognize this box. And if you don't watch Smitty's channel, go watch Smitty's channel. Smitty's Firewood sent me this box. So we're gonna open it right now. I can't wait. I've been waiting and patiently. I know it's surprising that it lasted this long, but we're getting in it. We're not messing around. We are not messing around. This is like gonna be awesome. It is so awesome. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, Smitty. We're in. We are in.
It smells like oil.
Smells like oil?
Yeah.
Smell oil or you smell gas?
Both.
Oh, packing material. Packing material. I smell it. Oh, look, Charlie. Look, Charlie. Now we gotta get the saran wrap off. I'll get it, Charlie. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna leak some oil or something. Don't cut the pull rope.
No.
Yeah, it leaks oil. Charlie, will you go grab me a couple paper towels off my roll in my shed? You know where they are? Please. Thank you. What did it leak? Oil? Oh my gosh, look at it. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Hey Mitch, those are cool. That's really super cool. Custom dog, man, them are hardcore. Those are hardcore. Yeah. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it is. But it's gonna help us shine it up here. Oh my gosh. I still can't, I just can't believe it. I can't believe you guys. The people are just amazing. So amazing. It's just crazy. Well, we're not going to mess around. We're not going to mess around. As you can see, I got gas. I got gas, and there's a fuel on it. We're going to put gas in it.
We'll put gas in it.
Some good gas. 32-1. 927. We got gas. Should we see if it'll start pulling fuel?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's start pulling on it. Fresh start right out of the box. Choke. Switch is on. Oh. Oh man, it's pretty snappy. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if this bar over here that I got is gonna fit. Bar plates? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. What do you think? Don't you think this is gonna look good on there? I think it's gonna look dang good. Oh dear, yes, yes, yes. Now let's see what size chain will fit on there. Oh, edge cut. Yeah, edge cut. Full house, 28 inch. Looks like we're going to have to shorten it up some. We'll just have to take a driver out. Take one driver out. Maybe two. Probably just one. Oh, that's going to look awesome, isn't it?
Huh?
We'll have to fix the adjuster hole. Oh yeah. It's primo. It is primo. A lot more to come with this. A lot more. we'll have this in the wood. I'll have this in the wood today. I'm pretty sure I will have. Yep, I won't be able to stand it today. It'll be in the wood. Thanks, Smitty. I really appreciate it, man. I do. This is just unbelievable. I don't know how to. I don't know how to understand it. I guess. You know, out of nowhere, Smitty, you decided that you wanted to build me a saw. It's awesome. It is awesome. I appreciate it. I truly do. I truly do. So I guess on that note, I'm gonna get off of this, and I'm gonna get back onto this and get it going and get it in the wood. You'll see it in the wood. All right, everybody. Take care. Be safe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what's your favorite video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss one of our videos.
TazMan
And Little Taz
are rolling. Look at this beauty. Oh, that bar looks good on there. Oh, yeah.
Shiny!
Shiny.
Shiny. Blinding. Literally blinding.
Be kind.
Blinding.